In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a sitemap to Google Search Console. This process is crucial for website owners as it helps Google better understand the structure of your site and ensures that your content gets properly indexed, driving more traffic to your online presence. To begin, you need to ensure you have your sitemap URL ready. A sitemap is essentially a file that provides information about the pages, videos, and other files on your site and the relationships between them. Having a sitemap makes it easier for search engines to crawl your site efficiently. Most website platforms automatically generate sitemaps for you like WordPress or Squarespace, but if you're using a custom setup, you might need to create one manually. Once you've located your sitemap URL, let's head over to Google Search Console. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign into your Google account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Google Search Console dashboard. If you're new to the platform, the dashboard may seem a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Next, we need to add your website as a property in Google Search Console if you haven't done so already. To do this, look for the option labeled Add Property on the left-hand side of your screen. There are two types of properties you can add, a domain property or a URL prefix property. If you want Google to encompass your site at large, including all subdomains, go with the domain property option. If you're focusing on a specific protocol and subdomain such as example.com or do.example.com, choose the URL prefix property. Once you've entered your site details, you'll need to verify ownership. Google provides several verification methods, such as using a HTML file or tag or through your DNS provider. Simply follow the on-screen instructions for the option that suits you best. Now that your property is set up, it's time to submit the sitemap. To do this, go to your property section and look for the Sitemaps tab on the left side. Click on it and you'll be directed to the sitemap submission page. Here you'll see a prompt that allows you to enter the URL of your sitemap. Carefully paste your sitemap URL into the designated field. Once you've done this, just press submit and voila! Your sitemap is now sent to Google for processing. We recommend checking back in a few days to see if there are any indexing errors or warnings. The sitemap section will provide you with valuable insights on how Google perceives your website structure and any issues that may arise. And there you have it. Adding your sitemap to Google Search Console enables Google to crawl your site with greater accuracy, ensuring that your content reaches your audience effectively. Don't forget to regularly check your console for updates and any actionable insights, as maintaining a healthy site is an ongoing process. Thanks for tuning in today, and I look forward to helping you with more website management tips in future videos.